It's me Alta and welcome back to a brand new video. This time I'm gonna be showing you how to make the Pig Miraculous from Miraculous Ladybug. So let's see the ingredients you're going to use. So for this particular project I used some pink yarn, some white pearl beads, a lighter, which you should be really careful with, and a pair of scissors. Any kind of cutting method would work here. So first you should take 3 pieces of the yarn that are the same size. Every time you use the yarn, make sure to burn slightly the edges with the lighter and be super careful with this step. Alright, so take the 3 pieces that you cut and make a small knot using all 3 of them. Make sure it's not that big. A small knot would do. Then cut the stuff that's extra from the knot, the extra strings from the knot, and simply burn it again so it creates like a nice plastic feel. Measure the 3 strings around your ankle. This is an anklet, and everyone thought it was a bracelet. I thought it was a bracelet too, but Pig Miraculous is actually an anklet. I made it using a simple English braiding method, so start English braiding about 1/4 of the length that you measured for your foot, for your ankle, not your foot. And once you reach this part, you should slightly burn the English braid. Not too much, just a little bit so it does not fall apart, because we are going to be threading our first bead. Just thread through one of the 3 strings the plastic bead, the pearl plastic bead, and also make sure to burn around each every time so the English braid does not come apart. It's a pretty slippery braid, so be careful with that. I repeated this step for all 5 of the pearls. After you take these steps for all 5 pearls, you should make a little knot at the end, leaving a bit of space so we can make a hook. Once you make the hook, do the same thing as you did in the first knot. Cut it and slightly burn it so it does not fall apart. This is how my small knot looked. So what you're going to see now is me testing if the anklet works, and you see the hook works, so we can take it on and take it off and put it on. It was a pretty simple project, but I hope you really enjoyed it. The Pig Miraculous is one of the most dainty and one of my favorites personally. Thank you so much everyone for watching this short but sweet video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!